Welcome, my name is Mario Ernesto. In today's video I'm not going to give you tips and tricks about upholstery, but I will be talking about something that is so important, especially if you are in your 70, 80 or 90 years old. Let me say something in Spanish for all my subscribers who don't speak English. Muchas gracias por estar acá. Este video lo voy a hacer solamente en inglés debido a que ya lo tengo en español, y el tema bajo el cual ustedes lo pueden hallar en español es nunca es tarde para aprender. Les voy a dejar el enlace en la descripción de este video por si ustedes lo quieren ver. So thank you for letting me say something in Spanish. If you are in your 70, 80 or 90 years old, things that for me are easy, for you might be a challenge. And I understand that part. I do upholstery for living. I have been working in this trade for a long time ago. If this video doesn't meet your expectation, don't kill me. At least give me a second chance. I promise you in the next video will be better than this. Even in Spanish I get nervous now imagining English. I do upholstery for living. I've been working on this trade for a long time ago. And I see it on my grandfather, now I see it on my dad. Think that for them used to be easier when they reach certain age. Those things are hard. Even my dad. I imagine you in your 70, 80 or 90 years old, think that you have been through it. And I'm going to talk about upholstery because that's what I do. But if you want to learn about mechanics, if you want to learn about painting, if you want to read a book, you know I like to read books. This is a PHP book, this is about web development. If you like to read, I congratulate you. I admire you. Keep yourself busy at that age. I do upholstery for living. If you have been watching my videos, and most of my videos are in Spanish. Most of my videos will require tool, but I have a lot of videos. I have more than 690 or 790 videos related to upholstery. I have some videos that are easy to follow, easy thing to do it. I'll show you how you can do it. A few weeks ago, and this person told me to make a video related to this, our experience. He contacted me. He didn't contact me. A member of the family contacted me. He was making a dining chair. I have a video how you can reupholster a dining chair, something easy. This person was around. I don't want to say his age. He was around 75 to 80 years old. And they contacted me, and I told his nephew, why you don't do it for him? He was wrapping his dining chair, and he told me, no, he don't want me to help. He want to do it. And, well, I'm going to make this short. I direct him how to do it through a video, and he told me, things that for you are easy at my age are so hard to do it. I don't have the strength that you have. And I didn't say nothing because he's 100% right. Reupholster those dining chairs, if you do car interior furniture, you know that it's a piece of cake. I know that it's easier for me too. But he was having a hard time. Well, I direct him how to do the first one. He was putting the staple, he was pulling the material. He did the first one, and I get so happy because I saw his face. He was so excited when he finished the first chair. Now imagine when he finished the last one, the number 4. Oh my God, he was so happy, so excited. And I was happy too, just to see him finish that thing. It was easy. That thing is easy for me. Maybe it is easy for you, but for him was so hard. It was a challenge because he don't have the strength. But he didn't give up, and he finished. There are a lot of things in upholstery that you can do. If you have a sofa, and that sofa have a cushion, and that phone is all compressed, you can replace just the phone. It is easier. If you don't have the strength, if you don't have the power to put that phone inside the cover, Look for help. Look for your neighbor. Look for a member of your family. They will help you. Be sure they will help you. But don't give up. Keep yourself busy at that age. I know it's not going to be easy. You have to beat a lot of berries. My mom and my dad, they are around 70 years old. I suggest them to buy like a smartphone. They were using a phone with those physical keyboard, those buttons in there. When I tell them to switch for a smartphone, they say, hell no, we are not going to switch. We are happy with this phone and we are not going to switch. I talked with my brother and my sister and we decided to buy a smartphone from them. At the first they get like disappointed. They get like sad. But I was there, my brother was there, my sister was there every day teaching them how to use the smartphone. My mom told me, we are going to learn how to use this smartphone. Just you have to be patient with us. And I thought, yes, mom, I will teach you how. And every day I was there. My dad, first thing that my dad asked me was, okay, take me to the keyboard. And I take him to the keyboard on the smartphone. He start typing. Things that for us are so easy, for them it's a challenge. For them it is so hard. Well, I teach my mom how to use a YouTube, WhatsApp, and Facebook. And suddenly I was working and I received a text message through a WhatsApp. And guess what? My mom was sending me a text message. I get so excited, I get so happy, and I show my brother in there and they get so happy too. Because my mom was using that smartphone to text me and they learned it. It wasn't easy for them, but they are running with that technology now. Same thing to you, my friend. If you are around 70, 80, or 90 years old, don't give up. To be honest, it's not going to be easy for you. You have to beat some barriers. You have to go over those hard things. But at the end, you will get it. You never will know if you were able to do a job if you don't try. Try. At least try. If you are trying, if you are watching my videos, how to do something related to upholstery, and you haven't stuck in there, and you see my video and you don't get it, and you haven't stuck in there for days, weeks, contact me. If you don't know how to use the computer, if you don't know how to use the smartphone, tell somebody to put one of my videos in there. And if you are watching my video, it's because somebody put one of my videos in there. Telling that person, if you are watching my video, scroll down, you will see a comment section on my video. Type your question in there. That question, that comment will be public. If you don't want that comment or your question to be public, you see the title of my video, there is a small arrow. Click in there and you will see some link. There is a link for Facebook Messenger, there is a link for Facebook, there is a link for, I think, for Instagram, there is a link for my email. You can contact me through those links, through those apps. If you are going to contact me through a messenger, Facebook Messenger, I receive a lot of messenger in there every day. Put your name, write your name. If you want to put your exact age, you are 84, put 88 or put 70 years old, something like that. That way I can pay close attention to your question. That way I can answer to your question. I will do my best to answer your question. My English is not that fluent, but I will do my best. And I will guide you how to do, how to resolve your issue. That thing that is causing you trouble, that thing that is giving you a hard time. I will do my best. If you are living close to me, I can go helping you in there. Everything related to upholstery. So don't give up, my friend. Don't give up. Remember, things are not easy. I remember a long time ago when I was in my 18 or 20, I used to play 2 soccer games on Sunday. And at that age, I feel so strong, I feel so fast. I feel like if I had that word on the palm of my hand. Imagine playing 2 games on Sunday, and then I wake up Monday and go work like nothing. Right now I play 1 game on Sunday, and the next day I feel pain. I feel it's strong right here, but right here is different story. So I imagine that you're A. But keep trying. Don't give up. Never is too late to learn. If you need my help, feel free to contact me and I will do my best to help you. So until next time, thank you for watching this video and take care.